In today's data-driven world, understanding daily productivity is crucial for business success. Microsoft Power BI is an exceptional tool that helps visualize this data, making decision-making straightforward. Power BI transforms complex data into easy-to-understand visuals. It connects to various data sources and creates insightful dashboards and reports. This enables businesses to identify patterns and trends effectively. With Power BI, companies can track daily productivity seamlessly. It gathers data on employee hours, tasks, and outcomes. This information is presented in visuals, helping managers identify high and low performers. Power BI offers various charts and visuals, including bar charts for comparisons, line charts for trends, pie charts for proportions, and heat maps to show activity levels. These tools allow for deeper analysis and predictions. Surprising insights often emerge from Power BI. For instance, certain days may show higher productivity or unexpected task durations. Recognizing these trends facilitates enhanced planning and resource management. Visual data simplifies complexity, allowing managers to make informed decisions rapidly. Non-technical users can also benefit from Power BI's user-friendly interface, enabling them to create customized reports effortlessly. Self-tracking through Power BI promotes accountability among employees. They can monitor their productivity, fostering motivation and setting realistic goals based on data insights. In summary, Microsoft Power BI is an invaluable asset for analyzing daily productivity. It offers clear visuals, making data accessible to all. By leveraging these insights, businesses can enhance performance and achieve successful outcomes. Don't wait, start using Power BI today to unlock the full potential of your data.